In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Zoho Mail. Now, this is a handy skill to have if you're looking to streamline your contact list, remove outdated information, or tidy up your digital workspace. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open Zoho Mail in your web browser. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left side of the screen, where you'll find the Apps pane. Here, you should see an icon labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that to bring up your contact list. This area is where all your saved contacts are managed, and you'll notice that it provides a neatly organized view of the information you've accumulated over time. Next, the task is to find the specific contact that you no longer need. You can scroll through the list or use the search function at the top for quicker access if you have a lot of entries. Once you've identified the contact you want to remove, click on it to open up the contact card. This will give you a detailed view of the information associated with that contact. Now look toward the top right corner of the contact card and you'll spot the More Actions button, which is represented by a three-dot icon, also known as clicking. This will reveal a menu of additional options related to the contact. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete to proceed with removing the contact. You'll then be greeted by a pop-up window. This is essentially your last checkpoint before the contact is removed, so it's worth taking a moment to ensure everything is as it should be. The pop-up will offer you two choices. You can choose Delete Permanently, which will bypass the trash and remove the contact from your list for good. This is a great option if you're sure you won't need to recover the contact later. Alternatively, you might want to select the simple Delete option. By doing so, the contact will be moved to the trash, where it will be held temporarily. This is a safer option if you think there's a chance you may reconsider and want to restore the contact at a later time. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully cleaned up your Zoho Mail contacts, creating a more efficient and organized contact list. Remember, keeping your contacts up to date not only helps in personal management, but also ensures that your professional communications are as effective as possible. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher.